Hey Patriots, today we're going to talk about your eClass course pages and where to find all of the information. So from my eClass apps, we know that the student view is going to help you with your schedule. You want to go to the first link, which is my eClass course pages. The first thing that's going to show up is your landing page. This is going to show your morning announcements. From here, if I go up to the waffle, this will show me all of my classes. So say I wanted to go to Miss Meyer's Earth Science class. So what you'll notice in the nav bar at the top, we have our content, our activities, and our activities, this is where you're going to have discussions, quizzes, those sort of things. This is an agenda, and then these are some tools. If we scroll down, the first thing you're going to notice is the weeks. So for instance, this is week 1, week 2, these are all the weeks of school. So this being the second week, to find our lessons for this day, what we would do is we would click on this. And as you can tell under week 2, our August 17th lesson is here. If we click on this, it should give us our full lesson for digital learning today. It's going to give us our topic, our AKS, our focus of learning, an activating strategy, our mini lesson, along with your teacher's Zoom links, and then your independent practice. So content is where we will find all of our lessons. Over here under the calendar is where we will find different due dates. The activity feed is where we'll find information from our teacher, as well as our teacher information with the daily schedule and such. And then web tiles. Usually web tiles will include different links that teacher will use, different websites, such as Google Classroom, Zoom links, or anything else. If I go into activities, this is where I Dropbox my assignments. This is where I can do discussions and quizzes assigned by my teacher. If I go into my agenda, it will show me the announcements, a checklist. This is your locker. Your locker is your digital platform in which you can save documents. And then we have our calendar. Our calendar is going to help us understand exactly what to do every day. So for example, if I click on this, I see that it's my math number systems. This is my language arts class, and it's going to have all of my lessons for the day. You can also change this to an agenda. You can do it by day, which is a little easier, or by week instead of the full month. And then we have tools, which is our class progress, our groups, and any rubrics that are assigned by the teacher. All we have to do is click on the teacher's name again here, and it will always take us back home. So I hope this helps give you some information on what's new and what's going on and how to use your teacher's eClass course pages and where to find things.